Holy shit, guys. Double vision. Look at that. No, you're not seeing double. 420 was yesterday. I'm just giving you a side-by-side comparison to show you how far $159 will go with a guitar. This is the Strat Plus that we did yesterday, thousands dollars. And this is the solo guitar, do-it-yourself at home kit guitar, Stratocaster and Tobacco Burst, with an ungodly sum of 159 bucks Canadian. That's right. This is what I was playing on that Stick song. We all have too much time on our hands, don't we? So really briefly, this is a kit guitar that I ordered online. Before I bought this one, I had bought a Telecaster one, and I wanted to refinish it and kind of make it my own. And I did a terrible job on finishing the body. I didn't realize how badly the basswood body would respond to staining, so I wasn't really happy with it. But I assembled it and I gave it to my bandmate as a gift, and he made it his own, and he put some authentic hardware on it, and it sounds great. He loves it. It's beautiful, actually. I'm glad he's making use of it. So I was back on the site, and I was thinking about trying it again, and then I saw this, and this guitar came to me with this body already painted or stained and varnished, just like this. And I thought, oh man, that saves me a lot of hassle, and I'm sure they'll do a better job than I did. Wish they had gold sparkle flakes, but they don't. So I opted for the Tobacco Burst here. Yeah, 3-piece basswood body, you know, standard run-of-the-mill hardware. This plug doesn't really seem to plug, a cord doesn't go in there very easily. Chinese electronics, or cheap electronics anyway. And I had them upgraded, and I had them replaced with Fender electronics at Shy Boy Guitars in Toronto. I had Shy Boy put a 1/4 pounder Seymour Duncan pickup in there for me, which is a nice pickup. I've had that for years. Took it out of another guitar, and I had them put a DiMarzio in right up here for me. We've got a rosewood neck, or fingerboard maple neck. One of the dead giveaways, that's a Fender sticker, by the way. One of the dead giveaways on one of these counterfeit or knockoff guitars is these 12th fret markers here. See how far away spaced they are? If you look at an authentic Fender guitar, it's always a little bit different. See how the two on the authentic Strat are more, sorry, I'm doing everything backwards here, I'm all crazy. There we go. Well, almost. So that's how you can spot a fake from afar. The two dot inlays are generally a bit further apart. But you know, this is a great guitar for if you have a kid that's looking to get into guitar. You can order one and put it together with him at night, in one night, and he can be playing it in no time at all. And if you add a little bit more money and spend money on new tuners and a pickup is what I would recommend the most. And this jack plate. You can have your kid playing guitar in no time, and it's really, you know, if you gave this to David Gilmour and he started playing it, he would sound like David Gilmour. It's not much about the guitar, really. The more you spend, the more comfortable they seem to be, but this neck is pretty thick and hunky and not much radius on this fretboard, but it's a great guitar for $159. It's the kind of guitar you can bring to a show and smash at the end if you want, but I won't. At least not for now. Anyway, I hope you guys are keeping yourself busy. These videos are certainly a good distraction for me. Hope you guys are doing the best with your hobbies too. Trying to get outside and beat the snow. Who would have thunk? Anyway, stay safe. I like doing these videos for you, and I welcome your comments. If there's any songs you think might be appropriate to do these days, or if you have any questions about any of this stuff I'm showing you, happy to answer. Have a great day, and we'll be talking to you again soon. Take it easy.